top tools to get at the Lowe's. Right now, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Yes guys, we got lots of clearance, lots of sales, new sales going on. OPE $449 for this one. This was a push mower. It's actually one of the best ones, top of the line, killer deal. I don't know, would you pay $1,000 for their competitor, for their Milwaukee mower? I mean, having top of the line, a Cadillac in the mower business, OPE, for this much? I don't know, guys. I think I would definitely go with Eagle on that one. So yeah, it exceeds power of the gas. This one's a 40 volt max cobalt. This was the new cobalt that they got. It does have a battery indicator right there in the back. It does have a nice handle. It does have a side discharge. It's a one lever position. A 2 battery compartment. So that's pretty nice. It is $329. This is just a push mower. It does come with the battery and charger. So pretty nice. This is the newer version of the older one. This is $199 on clearance. It's a blower. It's an Eagle blower. And then you got the... Alright, so we got a blower and trimmer combo. This is for a smaller yard. $279 and the $169 for the trimmer or the blower. These do come with batteries and chargers. Both of these. And that's the way it looks. They're barely setting it up, so they just got these two going on. A few more tools in the background, but that's it. Got the Cobalt one drawer mobile workbench. This one's down to $329. New lower price, down from $429. You got the rear, or not the rear, the self-propelled 21-inch Eagle mower, top of the line Eagle. Then they got this one. This one's on clearance for $100. This one's the pole saw. Yes, it's the 40 volt max pole saw from Cobalt. Does come with the battery and charger. That's a killer deal on that one. This was down to $34 from $99. 24 volt edge trimmer. Killer deal on this one. For $34. And then they got the Cobalt edge trimmer. This was corded. Same price. Pretty good deal on this one, especially if you don't want to invest in a battery. You got the leaf blower from Skill, 40 volts, $85. Comes with the battery and charger. And then you got some more Eagles, leaf blower, 650 CFM, $199. You got a few of them here. I'm pretty sure these are going to drop down in price. You got the 40 volt for $95. That's a Skill. That's a pretty good deal on that one. You got the string trimmer for amp hour, $59.57. Make sure you guys take a look at your clearance deals here at the OPE section. Like this one's down to $90. I believe at the other store I got it for $63. It's very similar to this one. It's not this one. This was the new package. And then they got this one for $269. So you're still looking for the gas. This is $140. It's a push mower. Really bare bones, but you know, for $269, not too bad. So yeah, it is Craftsman, so a good brand. You got the 840. This is the famous 840. Yes, I know the 845 is coming out. Hopefully I can get my hands into one of those. Get you guys a few videos on that one. But yeah, the 845 is coming out. That's the XR, top of the line. The 840 is like the mid-grade type of stuff. Then they got some toolboxes here. $169 for the Pro Trade Tower from Craftsman. I personally do not like this the style of boxes, but a lot of you do. $99.98 for the 37 inch. This thing's massive. It's huge. It's great for a truck. I couldn't imagine how much that thing weighs loaded with tools. You got a pancake compressor, $129. They're from $169. You got a gunmetal chrome socket set, $49. It's a really nice finish, gunmetal. Then they got this one's for $169. They're from $219. It's a 5-tool combo or a 5-drawer. And then we have a toolbox here. It's $99. It's 243 piece. Nice socket set there. $19 for a milk crate from Craftsman Trade Stack. So if you're looking for something like this, cheap. You got a brushed tool set here, $99. Was $149. You got this one's the vacuum, and then you got a toolbox, $49.98 down from $65. You got $44.98 down from $49. 64-piece 3-in-1. 2-piece mechanics tool set. That's pretty nice. And then you got the rotor scrub drill and accessory cleaning kit, $18.98. That's for drills. It's a nice cleaning kit. I do have the one that has the brushes in it. You can get that at Amazon. I do have several videos on that one. You got wet and dry vacuum from Craftsman. It's on clearance. And then you got the bolt screw extractor, $14.98. You got the accessory kit Dremel, $24 down from $29.98. It's a pretty nice case, pretty large case. You got this on clearance, 3/8" drive on clearance for $59, was $99. A 3/8 impact wrench. You got a drywall cut tool, $59 down from $99. And this one's the drill driver, $95 down from $139. $129. It's a 4-tool combo kit. It goes through the February. So you got $39. A detailed sander was $49. A few bucks on the from this one. Then this one's on clearance for $49. Black & Decker reciprocating saw, 20 volts. Got the Steelman. I never seen these before, so that's why I got my my attention there. $66.99. And then you got a planer. It's a 3 1/4" planer. It's on clearance for $127. It's 24 volts. You get a die grinder, $104. That's it right there. And then you got a heat gun, $79, down from $99. Got a rotary hammer, $152. You got a 3/8 impact wrench, the same thing. This one's $79. You got a 3/8 impact wrench, same thing. So yeah, so it's just beside it. So yeah, these are pretty nice to have. $63 for the 2-amp-hour battery. And then you got a wet and dry vacuum, $69. So yeah, that's and then clearance. This is the inflator, $71. That was a buy one get one free. Now they have it. I'll just wait, for that to drop even lower. Portable job site fan, $47. Got the buy one get one free from Flex. They still got these all the way to February the 1st. So pretty good deals on that. And you got the Bosch, same thing. You buy a bare tool, you get a free starter kit. I'm not gonna go over all the tools because I'm just gonna go over some of the clearance. Got the Bosch a 4-amp-hour core battery pack, 2-pack, $99. You got a jigsaw blade. Yeah, this is a jigsaw blade. It's the longer one, but it is a jigsaw blade. It says fits out T-shank. $127 for the sheet sander from DeWalt. And then $159 for the oscillator tool. I do apologize if I'm a little down today. I'm not feeling well, but I'm trying my best out here. Got a hacksaw style reciprocating saw, $34.77. Got a Metabo, $111 on clearance. And then that was $139. You got a router, 18 volt router on clearance for $119, down from $149. You got $199 down from $249. It's a two-piece combo. I've seen this cheaper at other stores. Keep an eye out for those. Triple hammer, $83. That's pretty good price for that. And then you got the Craftsman lights. So if you're in the line, that one's down to $38 from $54. You got the Bosch Chameleon. And then this one does have the different attachments there. It's down to $137 from $229. Got the oscillating tool, brushless, $79. And then you got the jigsaw. It says router. I don't know. Yeah, it might be a router. Yeah, it's a Palm H router. I thought it was a jigsaw, but got the 5-inch orbital sander, $32. You got the oscillator. I don't know if they're gonna be replacing all these or they're just gonna get rid of them because everything is on clearance. All these Bosch 12 volts, I don't think they're selling that well. And then you got the 5-in-1 2 combo kit for $53. You got the flex boxes. I don't know. I seen online everybody's posting that for like $273 you get a 5-piece. I don't know. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys know about that deal. I haven't seen it. I only heard about it on Facebook, the Facebook places or the Facebook groups. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here, guys. Like I said, I'm not feeling well. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.